right, Sema 2011, the excitement continues at the Afco booth. I'm hanging here again with Greg Fuesler. How you doing, Greg?
Hey, doing great. Loving the show.
Yes, it's a great show. Now, you guys have some phenomenal cooling options. Can we talk a little bit about that?
Sure can. Love to. We've got one of our latest pieces that we've just come out with is a heat exchanger for the Shelby GT500. Okay, this is a bolt-in piece, bolts in the factory location. However, it has dual 10-inch fans. It has 350% more cooling surface than the factory piece. So does it keep it cool? Yes. When you want to build horsepower with a supercharger in these new Mustangs, that's one way to get it, as an easy bolt-on. We have it in a couple different options. You know, Afco has always had the different finishes. We've had satin finish, we've had polished finish. We have this new finish that's what we call our classic or black finish. A lot of the guys right now building the supercars, the hot rods, the muscle cars, they want this stealth look. A lot of them call it a murdered look. And I tend to love it. I love the black look. So when you paint, you know, an aluminum radiator, getting the paint to stick, that's pretty tricky because this thing heats up and cools down. We went to a proprietary finish that we have in-house. It's a 3-step process. We apply this finish, a long-lasting, durable finish, and not only does it make the radiator and the cooling product look cool, it lasts a long time, and it actually dissipates heat better than the aluminum itself. So, I mean, this thing's a win-win deal.
Yeah, it sounds great. You kind of stumbled onto your own little secret there.
We did, and that's what Afco's all about. Innovative products. We don't match the bar. We always raise it. Fantastic.
Now, really curious to hear a little bit more about your exhaust options, so why don't we head over there and take a look?
Let's check it out. This here is our latest addition to the list of everything. This is for a 6.4 liter new Dodge Challenger. Dodge came out with a 6.1 liter a few years ago for the SRT8 versions, and they stepped up their game a little bit and got to the 6.4 liter. We just introduced this system. First time we brought it to the show, we won a Global Media Award with it. So we're doing really good there. It's produced some great horsepower. It's a direct bolt-on. It has the triple layer stainless steel gaskets, all the O2 extension cables, all the bolts, the hardware, the color instruction manual, everything you need for the do-it-yourselfer to install it.
Now you guys have a lot more exhaust setups than this. Can you talk a little bit more about that?
Oh yes, we have a ton of them. We just came out with the GT 5.0 liter for the Mustang, the 2011, when they reintroduced the Coyote motor, if you will. Just came out with that system. We have them all for all sorts of applications, the Corvettes, the new Camaros, the old Camaros, the new Challengers, the new Ford trucks, the new Chevy trucks. I mean, on and on and on. All of our stainless steel line fills all those needs.
Fantastic. Well, congratulations on the award.
Sure. Thank you.
All right. Well, I think the viewers want to hear a little bit about the shock systems you guys have to offer.
Let's tell them.
Let's go check it out. So let's talk shocks.
Okay. We've got some great new products out for shocks and the struts. That's come on the scene pretty heavy for the aftermarket companies now. We've got some great products in the strut line. We've got the new 2010 Camaro set up. We've got the 79 all the way up to the 2012 Mustang strut set up. We offer those really neat packages. You know, they want a little ride height adjustability. They want their caster camber plates. They want to be able to interchange springs for different ride and different performance. We offer the coilover kit, the caster camber plates, also a variety of springs just for those things as a direct fit bolt-in for the new Mustangs and new Camaros.
And then you got a few more options back here. Can we talk a little bit about those?
We're into shocks, and we're not just into one line of shocks. We do shocks for the hot rods, the street rods, the pro touring guys, the drag race guys. We do it for all of them. When it comes to the shock technology that we have, we can tailor your needs to fit whatever you need to do and the performance you need. That's the beauty of Afco.
No matter your ride, you guys got them covered.
We've got them covered.
All right, well, we have talked cooling systems, phenomenal exhaust systems, and now shocks. You guys have got it all covered. If any of the viewers want to find out more information about your product lineup, where can they go?
Go to afcoracing.com. Exact address is www.afcoracing.com. Click on it. It'll guide you through from there. You can call any of your local dealers that carry Afco or Dynatech, and they'll get you covered as well.
Fantastic. Well, Greg, thank you so much for taking us through your product lineup. We wish you the best at SEMA 2011.
Thank you.
You're watching powerTV.